I'm an archaeologist
Okay.
by profession, but basic qualification I had as anthropology and archaeology. I deal with the human cultures,
Okay.
whether it is past or present. That's my introduction.
Okay, that's an introduction. Good to know that. So today our discussion is on the generation gap that is destroying our family life. Okay. So first of all, what do you think about generation gap?
Generation gap, you must be knowing what the generation gap is all about.
Yeah.
Just tell me one thing.
Okay.
How do you perceive generation gap is good or bad?
Well, I
Whether you perceive or your friends or in the society, how do you see it? It's usually
quite
look at
negative.
it negative. Okay. I'll just give one example.
Okay.
We work in both the hands.
Yes.
One hand, the right hand, probably in most of the cases, I have got the strength. Left hand, I do not have the strength.
No.
If I pull a rope
Okay.
in right hand, I can pull it, but I cannot keep a balance. If I put the left hand and pull the rope, I'll be in balance. Do you understand it?
Yes. Definitely.
Just remember this. I'll tell you, the generation gap, positive side of the generation gap is exactly like this, these two generations. Okay?
Okay. So you feel it's quite positive?
Yes. In fact, let's see what the generation gap is all about. For example, there is a generation gap between you and me. That's what you perceive.
Yeah.
I belong to another generation in the sense there's a big time gap between you and me. And when I was at your age, it was a learning process. I kept on learning. My learning process has almost, though I am learning, but many things have been saturated. In your case, you are learning. Learning something new things which I have not learned. Okay?
Yeah.
Hence the gap in thinking.
Yeah.
Okay? Now I learned certain things in 40 years back. You have learned something new which I might not be knowing.
Yeah, that's possible.
But that is what
That
happens.
is happening also.
That's why there is a gap.
Yeah.
You feel, no, the society is all about like this, the family is all about like this. So whatever you are learning, whatever you are seeing. But I say no. Do you know why it happens? There is a you have to distinguish between your way of thinking and its outcome and my way of thinking, how it's happening. Can you tell me the difference?
There's a lot really difference.
The difference lies, you have got the plus point and negative point, I have got the plus point and negative point. I'll explain you how.
Okay.
You are learning something new which I am not knowing. That's the plus point.
That's a plus point, yeah.
Okay. Minus point is for me, I am not knowing about it. The new things which are happening. That's true.
That's true.
It is a positive for you, negative for me, older generation.
Oh, okay.
Now I am coming back to me.
Okay.
Do you know? Whatever I have learned, many things are time tested.
Yeah.
Okay?
I
My experience, none of the knowledge which you have got, experience which you have got is time tested. You are learning from others. In my case, I have experienced it, experimented it. I have seen it what is wrong and right.
Yeah.
So many of the experiences within me are time tested, which you are not having.
Okay.
I lack in the present knowledge. You have got a good knowledge of the present situation. My experiences, many of the experiences are time tested. I know what is bad and what is wrong,
Yeah.
or what is right or wrong.
But there was a time when you were of my age.
Yes.
And you also felt the same generation gap.
Huh.
So did you perceive the generation gap at that point of time the same way you perceive right now?
No.
Then what was the difference?
The way you are thinking today, whatever you know is right. That is what happens usually in most of the cases. And for the older generation, it happens whatever I am thinking because I have experienced. My experience time tested. Whatever I say is right. It's not always.
It's not all.
Neither I am always right or always wrong. Same case with you.
Yeah.
You accept that. If I accept what I said, then that can be breached.
But
Then
yeah.
what happens, you know? We can really progress. Both younger generation and the older generation, if you put together, we can go ahead. What happens? In any of the scientific departments, older generation, younger generation, they train it. Whether it's military or any department, younger research scholars, they come. They are tuned to the research and all that. So there is an interaction. Even in the games,
Sports.
the coach,
Yeah.
he gives the training.
Training.
So, because he has got the experience. This man, the younger generation, has got strength.
Yeah.
So,
Both of
if
them
both
are
the things they come together,
Both of them
they
are
understand each other. What is the plus point and negative point at your end, and what is the plus and negative at my end, we can progress.
Okay.
If you think, because you will have to realize negative and plus point both, you will have to realize the same thing. But that hardly happens. We think whatever I say, it's right, whatever you say, you are right. Because I have seen the life for 60 years, you say, no, this is what I am learning is right. That is what happens.
But do you think if the younger generation already understand this fact, then it will work out?
No, both.
Both of them will, right?
Because two persons, why there is a conflict between two persons? If they are adamant what they say is correct, then there is a conflict. If first thing is, if two persons, persons from two generations, if they realize what is the negative part with them, positive point has to be recognized by the opponents. Means my experience works that you should realize, you should appreciate, and I should appreciate the latest knowledge.
Yes. So now we can conclude that the generation gap can be also positive,
Yes.
but it depends on the way a person perceives it, and it helps in progression also.
Yes.
So yeah, that was all about today's video. So thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
So what would be the last 2 words you would like to say to our audience?
Generation gap is existing, will exist forever. It is not bad. Only thing, all of us belonging to two different generations have to recognize their negative side and positive side both. Make friendship, reduce the gap between two generations, all of us will progress.